Hi everyone, this is Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We are discussing the 15th kind of verb that is known as auxiliary verb. And in auxiliary verb, we are talking about the modal auxiliary verbs. And we have already discussed must, ought to, should, and today we are going to discuss the modal auxiliary verb can. Definition of modal auxiliary verb can is a modal auxiliary verb and it is used for physical ability, mental ability, authority, possibility, permission, informal request, and offer any service. So there are 7 usages of modal auxiliary verb can, which we will be discussing one by one. We have got the modal auxiliary verb can. As we have already discussed in secondary level, the percentage of modal auxiliary verb can, it is used for 50% and it is used for the possibility of an action. Now, in primary level, we are going to discuss the usages of modal auxiliary verb can. The first usage is known as physical ability. What is physical ability? An ability which you do by your body, and you have got the physical power. For that, you will be using it as physical ability. Like I say, you can pick up this chair. Now, it is your physical ability that you can pick up this chair. And second example, he can run fast. Now I say he is young, he exercises on daily basis, and if you run with him, he can run fast. So that is known as the physical ability. Number second, we have got mental ability. Mental ability all belongs to the mentality, where there is no need of physical. Mental as like mind access or power empowerment. Like I say, I can speak 6 languages. Now it is my mental ability, which belongs to education, sake of knowledge, etc. And she can write an essay. It is again mental ability, ability of learning, which is also known as the ability of learning. And number three, modal auxiliary verb can is used for authority. Like I said, president can remove prime minister. It is known as the authority. That president has the authority to remove prime minister. In the same way, teacher can punish the students here. The teacher has the ability, that authority to punish the students. After that, we have got possibility, and I told you possibility will be of 50%. Like I say, it can rain anytime. It can rain anytime. It is the possibility of an action. And she can be at home, possibility that she is at home. Number five, it is used for permission. Now, when you are asking for permission, you'll be using modal auxiliary verb can, like, can I come in? Permission. And can we help the needy? Again, permission. After that, informal polite request. Informal polite request, like, can you bring me a glass of water? Like, formal request would be like this: would you mind bringing me a glass of water? Please, could you bring me a glass of water? But informal way to request someone, that is can. Can you bring me a glass of water? And can you read this letter? After that, it can be used in friendly atmosphere. This should be in your mind. And next we have got, that is last usage, offer any service. Can I lend you some money? And can you assist me in this regard? Can you you comes first. Can you assist me in this regard? So that is known as the service. So hope you got the usages of modal auxiliary verb can. And now we are going to discuss the next activity about the modal auxiliary verb, which is used in different structures. So let's begin the next slide. Can't have plus third form of the verb. Where do we use this structure? Keep in your mind, what is the structure when uh, you formalize any modal auxiliary verb or any structure, that is known as the structure. Now, can't have plus third form of the verb is used after seeing or listening the logical proofs. Here you are not sure about, you just see the or listen the logical proofs of action which have happened in the past and now in the present. The speaker says with less certainty, means he is not sure, quite and pretty sure about it, in order to say that whether it is right or wrong, but he has just a prediction or in doubt that the action has not happened like this. Now, for past and for future, how can you use it? Now, if I say, I can't have beaten the children, okay, he can't have beaten the children, he is sleeping. Now, here we have got the prediction that children are weeping, but he can't have beaten them. Why? Because he is sleeping. And my prediction over here that this action has happened, that the children are weeping, but I am sure. Why? My certainty is that because he is sleeping, this gentleman is sleeping, maybe for other reason the children are weeping. In the same way, for the future, how could you say he can't beat the children because he's sleeping? And baby can't have broken the glass because it can't reach there. Now the baby can't have broken the glass. Now the glass is broken, but here we have the prediction because we are not sure about, but we have the less certainty that maybe, other reason could be because that baby cannot reach over there, and this can happen in future. I say baby can't break the glass because it can't reach there. And keep in your mind, when you do not know the gender of baby, you'll not be using he or she, you'll be using it because it is unknown gender. So baby, it is a baby, you could say he is a baby. You will not say she is a baby because you do not know that e baby or she baby. So over there you will be using it as it. Next, they can't have gone to Karachi because there is strike. Now there is a strike, and this action has happened, and you say that they can't have gone to Karachi because it is strike, or maybe they have used another way, but that is strike, and you saying that they can't go and they can't have gone. And in the same way, for the future, you'll say they can't go to Karachi because there is strike. After that, can't be plus ing form. And where do we use can't be plus ing form? Can't be plus ing form is used when we don't see the action happening. When we don't see the action happening, we only see or listen logical proofs of happening something, and when we become less sure or maybe doubtful about the happening of action, means we are doubtful, but again we are not sure. It can be used in the sense of present continuous, and over there can't be plus ing form will not give the same sense. And in present continuous tense you are sure about the action, but in can't be plus ing form you are not sure about. He is not taking class. Now it is sure he is not taking. 100% you are sure about it that he is not taking class. He can't be taking class. Now over there you have less surety about this sentence, that maybe they are taking class, but you are not sure about it. And they are not playing at home. This is confirmed because they are not at home. They can't be playing at home because they were not at home. Maybe they have gone now or playing, or there are less possibility of that action, or maybe you are in doubt that this action may happen. But here in present continuous you are sure that this action is not happening, and here you are little bit doubtful. Maybe 80% you say that this is not happening, but 20% chances are that this action may occur or happen, just because of the your doubtfulness. And after that it can be used in past, like he was not taking class. In past it is sure that he was not taking. In past he can't have been taking class, then it is the past of the same, can't be plus ing form. And they were not playing at home, it is sure, but they can't have been playing at home, this is not sure, as 80%. After that we have got can't plus bear or stand ing form, or can't bear stand plus to plus form of the verb or ing. And keep in your mind, one thing should be in your mind: with the stand, with can't bear or stand in the present, we cannot use it with the full infinitive. Now this stand would not be used, as I've written a note. After can't bear, full infinitive can be used, but after can't stand, it cannot be used. Can't bear, you can use it, but can't stand, you cannot use it. This should be in your mind. Now, so example we are going to discuss: can't plus bear plus standing plus ing form for present, how you are going to use. Or it can be gerund, means the ing form. It can be full infinitive, means to plus first form of the verb, how you are going to use and where do we use this one. Can't plus bear or stand ing form, can't plus stand or bear plus to plus first form of the verb is used to express that the speaker can't tolerate doing an action. He cannot tolerate doing that action. I can't bear or stand seeing tears in your eyes. And I can't bear to see tears in your eyes, but I can't stand to see tears in your eyes is wrong. Then keep in your mind, stand you are not going to use. We can't bear or stand laughing. We can't bear laughing, but you'll not say we can't stand bear laughing. Clear? And here I've used bear laughing, but we can't bear to laugh because it is to plus first form of the. In the same way, mother can't bear or stand punishing her children, and mother can't bear to punish her children. Now, the note: can't bear plus full infinitive can be used, but can't stand. Keep in your mind, stand will not be used. Stand is used over here, it is optional, but here you cannot use it. This should be in your mind. And for the past, you'll be using couldn't in the same sense, like I couldn't bear or stand seeing tears in your eyes. And over there, you'll say, I couldn't bear to see tears in your eyes, but not stand. It should be in your mind with full infinitive. To plus first form, you will not be using stand, you will only use bear. And we couldn't bear or stand laughing. We couldn't bear to laugh. Mother couldn't bear or stand punishing her children. Mother couldn't bear to punish her children. This should be in your mind, that to plus first form of the verb will always be followed by bear, but not stand, and this is the past. Hope you got this one. Let's discuss the next slide. Now, are there can't plus bear, stand plus seeing plus agent or complement, and plus ing form of the verb. And the passive of the same is can't, bear, stand, seeing, agent, complement, being plus third form of the verb. How we are going to use it? Now see, can't plus bear or stand plus seeing, agent, complement, ing form is used. In this structure, the speaker says that he can't tolerate seeing someone doing this or that thing. So means maybe he is jealous or something like, or he is not the one to tolerate that why this action is being done by someone. Now example: he can't bear or stand seeing you progress in life, progressing in life. They can't bear or stand seeing us laughing, and you can't bear or stand seeing me passing the test. And can't plus bear ing form, stand or seeing plus ing form of the verb, and seeing is your ing form as like gerund, and agent or complement being plus third form. In this structure, the speaker says that he can't tolerate. Now speaker cannot tolerate seeing something happening with someone, like it is out of tolerance to see someone being insulted or being abused or whatever. Now example: I can't bear or stand seeing you being insulted. Now you are my friend, how can I bear that someone insults you? And in the same way, we can't bear or stand seeing them being failed. Teacher can't bear or stand seeing our students being punished. So hope you got this one as well. And now we have got the last slide to be discussed. Can't help or can't prevent or can't avoid. You can use one of them from the three. And now let's discuss the definition of the same structure where you are going to use. In this structure, the speaker says that someone is used to doing an action. Someone is actual of doing an action. It is his habit, or he can't control himself doing it, means he is that much actual of doing this that he cannot stop himself, or the situation is like this, he can't control himself doing it, so he is out of his control, means it is quite hard for him to leave this. Can't plus help, can't prevent or can't avoid. In active voice as well it can be used, and in passive voice as well it can be used. Now sentences for active voice: I can't help watching movies. Without movies I cannot spend my life and spend my days or weekends clear. So this is known as I can't help watching movies. I can't help playing on Sundays. Now I can't stop myself that on Sundays that I should not play. So it is quite hard for me. And they can't help studying books. Now definitely when they start studying, so they cannot stand without studying books. And in passive voice, how you're going to use it: she can't help being beaten. You know that as our habit. Once she's not punished, she does not stop doing that activity. And you can't help being cheated. Without cheating you cannot spend your life exams, you are actual of that. You don't prepare yourself and you just have become actual of it. And he can't help being ignored. Now over there, he cannot control himself to be ignored. Yes, so over there you'll be using it in this sense. Hope you got the model auxiliary verb can with its 7 usages and different structures. Hope for the best. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.